Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you what would happen if you use too much leverage. Now in the previous video of mine I've explained to you what is leverage. Leverage is something that you make money without getting involved in a without getting your money involved in that trade, or easy to or I would easily define it, making money out of thin air. That is called leverage. Now, leverage is highly profitable in the stock market. The positions that you short, the futures that you trade are the futures that you trade are leverage. Those are called leverage because you do not use money in that. You do not get your money involved in those trades. In futures, you do not buy the futures. Instead, when they are not when you do not sell them, they will be charged into your account. Only then you use your money. Other than that, when you sold them in the specified date, you that is not that is called leverage, because if you made a profit from it, that's called leverage. Shorting your position is also leveraging. Now to now what would happen if you use too much leverage? If you use too much leverage, if you are using too much leverage, that is beyond your means, like that is that you cannot bear the risks, the losses that will come in case if you were wrong, then that is highly uh, costly. Th- that will cost you. So you should use a leverage that is within your reach, within your means, or I would say that you can bear the losses if in case you are wrong. Now let me show you. Let's say you have $250 in your account. The rest are invested. This is your that you have saved in case if you want to buy any stocks. Now you see a stock worth of, you want to leverage $500 more, on the assumption that it will become $750. Now if you are wrong, you will profit from it. But what if you are if you are right, sorry, if you are right, you are going to profit from it. But what if you were wrong, your assumption were wrong about that trade, and that trade went against you? So now it will cost you $500. So now how many will you have in your account? Minus 250. Minus 250. Now you will be you it will cost you, no, minus 250 or minus, yes, minus, no, minus 500 it will cost you, sorry, it will cost you minus 500, because you didn't make that, and you also lost this, you also lost this amount as well. No, wait, is it minus 500 or minus 750? Yes, it will be minus 750. Sorry about that. I'm sorry, I'm a bit weak at calculations. It would cost you minus 750, or whatever the numbers are those. I don't care. I'm just explaining this to you. Now it will cost you this much. Now if now you can see it is beyond your means, beyond your like beyond your whatever you say, beyond your risk or your losses. So do not ever attempt to do this. Instead, if you are using, if you have $250 in your account, leverage $100. So in case, if you, let's say if you were like, if you want to make 350, then that's totally okay. If it costs you, you will have a remaining balance of 150. So you still have got money in your account. So that is the leverage you can use. It's use this much leverage to have some, so that you can have some money into your account. That's the key, to use as little leverage as possible, so that you do not risk whole of your account. Now if you lost all of your account, so blown up your account, so you're going to make the double of what you were, double of the losses that you've lost, so to get to where you were before, using leverage, or before using anything. Now to that now that was all about leverage. If you want to leverage, I would say, uh, leverage the half of what you've got. That's totally fine. Leverage, like if you have $1,000, use $500 as leverage. That's totally okay. It's within your reach. You can bear that losses if any happens. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me.